Every summer, kids from around Auckland come out for the biggest sporting event on the Pasifika calendar, the Auckland Secondary Schools Kilikiti Tournament. This year, 2 teams are vying for Kilikiti supremacy. Join us as the next generation take it to the limit in Kilikiti Games. The McAuley girls' senior Kilikiti team have had a shaky start to their season, and Miss Tapu has a surprise in store for the girls that left training early last week.
So the consequences is to run laps around the field. Go! It's a good message to them that they need to ask permission well ahead before training, and a good message for the other girls too, that people have given up their time to coach as well as supervise them. So laps will do them some good.
All the way to the end, along the side, around there, near the toilets and back.
They just like to test you, and these ones are slow learners. I can't be tested.
All the way to the end, towards the toilet, and all the way out. It's not funny, Becca. Run! Fight it! Go, 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 go!
I think they know not to come up and ask for permission again.
Can you go and tell those girls to hurry up, please? Waiting.
After an underwhelming first training, the management are eager to see a massive improvement from the girls, so it's a change of game plan from Coach Neil.
We'll just do some catching practice first after yesterday's performance. But just get used to seeing the ball again, please. We'll just start with some catching practice and then we'll work from there.
All right, let's go, ladies. Come on.
I think it's good that he's noticed our weakness. We actually do need catching practice because last training no one was catching the ball.
Oh, I felt scared because I was one of those girls that couldn't really catch properly. Because I was scared of the ball. Yeah.
When the ball hits the ground, that's when you swing. Don't wait for the ball to come up.
I'm going to tell them that they need to motivate themselves, they need to step up with the trainings and to use the time wisely.
I just hope that today's training is better than last time's training. I hope they bring their game faces today, because if not, then we might as well cut them. Yep.
Nice. Take a shot, take a shot, take a shot. Nice, 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 nice.
I think training is going good because our catching practices have helped us actually catch the ball now.
Oh, nice stop, nice stop. Give her a clap for Nilo.
I felt really good because everyone was hyped up. We were catching balls, they were being loud with the Fainu'u, so yeah, it was good. Training was good.
That was nice.
They do deserve a bit of credit, but then again, don't give them all the credit because then they're going to think, oh yeah, we can play up the next training.
Really proud of you guys today. Good numbers today, as well as better commitment. So you're just getting better and better. So
Definitely a big change from the last training. I think the talking to got to them, which was more to motivate them rather than sort of, keep them on a downer. And that showed at today's training that they're really starting to focus, and we need that leading up to the tournament.
Thanks for taking all the advice and putting it into your however style you bat with. You guys were on today. I'm really happy with our batting.
Out in West Auckland, the Kelston Boys Kilikiti team are gathering for their next training session. Only there's still no sign of their coach or their manager.
I got to training, I saw half the team there. Some had turned up late. Couldn't see the manager.
Yeah, I was a bit worried because the boys don't really care about me. And because if someone else there, we all get up over, maybe boys are greedy.
It's not only Mr. Samuela that's missing. Some of the boys have never even met the coach.
What's his name? Ben Mailata.
Ben, same excuse every year.
Oh, it's pretty normal. He never comes every year. He just comes on the day and pretends that he's one of us.
It's now up to assistant coach Conan to take control of the boys, but it's not going to be easy.
I think some of the boys are going to be unsettled. It's pretty unorganised.
Doing all right. Some are playing up. Yeah, a few drop balls. Make sure you call for the ball.
I just feel sorry for him because he's trying his best. He's trying to do his job, but the boys are not listening. He's mucking around.
Boys, hey, shh. If it's closer to the ball, then you let them call. I told him in the start, like, we gotta take the training seriously. Some boys are mucking around. I was pretty disappointed. We didn't have as much authority than our normal coach does. Yeah, we find it hard, but we can just pull names out and give it to Sir, and then they can face the consequences.
With only a bit of the practice session left, Mr. Samuela finally arrives.
I feel happy. I saw the boys start getting into the game. The attitude changed.
I'm going to tell Ms. Samuela that training was pretty disappointing. A lot of the senior boys were mucking around.
Boys, sorry, apologies for lateness. How do we get?
It was good.
He's pretty honest, so he'll tell me if boys are playing up. He snitched and told me some of the boys who he would like to cut, so I'll have a look at them. I'll have a word to them as well, just to tell them I've been informed of their misbehaviour.
Next time on Kilikiti Games, Miss Tapu flies solo and has a run-in with the Samoan group.
If you take them, then we have no team.
And the boys finally meet their coach.
For the 3 minutes we've got him before he leaves.
But it's not for long.